So if I can summarize the electric toothbrush features, I would put them as: hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're safe and healthy and following all the social distancing protocols. Electric toothbrush is not a necessity. It's a replacement for your normal brushing if you're too lazy to brush your teeth, if you've recently had a fracture, if there's someone who's medically ill and cannot brush their teeth at your home, and fourth, if someone is physically challenged. But if you're able to keep your teeth and gums healthy by normal brushing, then there is not at all a necessity to buy an electric toothbrush. But if you're still interested to shift from a manual toothbrush to an electric toothbrush, then these factors are something that you should take into consideration while you purchase an electric toothbrush or buy online. So as I mentioned, that electric toothbrush has certain characteristics or certain features which are mandatory for us to have in them. The first is the stroke motion. Now stroke motion, by the term we mean by how the electric toothbrush's head is going to move. Now this is important because this is how your teeth are going to be cleaned, and if the movement is not going to clean your teeth, there is no point in buying an electric toothbrush. So three modes in which electric toothbrush head moves is rotatory, yani ki it moves in circular manner. Second is oscillatory, when it moves sideways. Third is pulsating, when it moves back and forth, something like a vibratory. Out of these three modes, the oscillating and the rotatory, if in a combination, is the best combination that will help you clean your teeth well. The second consideration is whether should it be sonic, ultrasonic or electric. Well, out of these three, definitely the electric is the best, but if you have to choose between a sonic and an ultrasonic, then the sonic is the best. So in a gradation, if I put, electric is the best, followed by sonic, followed by ultrasonic. Now all of these are based on the kind of speed and the vibrations that they produce. That is why an electric or a sonic is going to do the perfect cleaning for your teeth. Third is the bristles head. Now bristles head is again important because you need to know the type of bristles that are there on your electric toothbrush's head. As like a normal toothbrush, they are also available in different grades: hard, medium, soft and extra soft. For a routine brushing, see to it that you buy a soft toothbrush bristles head. Next is the size of the bristles head. As I have mentioned in my manual toothbrush choosing video, a small toothbrush head will help you reach till the last tooth, and toothbrush head sizes are available in different sizes for adults as well as for your toddler. So for whomever you're buying an electric toothbrush, see to it that you buy according to the age of the person. The additional features which are very important, and I feel that if you get them, then it's going to really add on to the cleaning, I would put it as add on to the cleaning experience. The first is the timer. Why would you require a timer? Well, we know that we need to brush our teeth for 2 minutes twice a day. And sometimes we tend to not brush for 2 minutes a day, which actually puts us at a risk for tooth cavities or for gum disease. So in order to avoid that, if your electric toothbrush can give you an alarm at 2 minutes, isn't it going to be good? Moreover, if it has a beep every 30 seconds, that is perfect, because every 30 seconds you would be reminded that you need to shift from one side of your mouth to the other side. So if we divide our mouth into 4 sides, the top, that is upper right, upper left, lower right and lower left, and 30 seconds each for each side is perfect in cleaning it. So a 30-second beep with a 2-minute timer is an amazing additional benefit that you can have in your electric toothbrush. The next is the cleaning modes. There are different cleaning modes. For example, Oral-B and Philips have 5 to 6 cleaning modes in their electric toothbrushes. and depending on what state or what you're looking out from electric toothbrush, you can choose that. But routinely we use either the gum health promoting one or your daily clean one. But those who are looking out for whitening can also use these toothbrushes, which will provide you with extra force to remove the stains. The another additional feature which can be of significance is if they have a tongue cleaning. We know that we need to clean our tongue every time we brush our teeth. And if your electric toothbrush has an added attachment for cleaning tongue, perfect. You don't even require an additional tongue cleaner. Just change the head and you're perfect. The tongue is cleaned. The next important thing, which obviously in this pandemic doesn't make sense, but is the travel friendliness. If they are portable, if they are lightweight, you can easily take them with you instead of later on shifting to a manual toothbrush and not liking the experience. So a travel friendly electric toothbrush is a need, is one of the features that you should definitely take into account when you're buying it. Other additional features, something like having additional sanitizations or Bluetooth connectivity, motion tracking, noise, dual heads, UV sanitizing. These features, I won't put them as a necessity, but if they are present, well and good. There's no harm in having additional features, right? So if I can summarize the electric toothbrush features, I would put them as a rotatory oscillatory motion, electric toothbrush or a sonic toothbrush, a small bristle head with soft bristles, a timer to definitely guide us, have at least one or two cleaning modes, travel friendly. For your easy, for you, I have created this mini guide in the form of a PDF which is available by clicking on the link below. And that is going to be like a super guide, super mini guide for you to help you buy an electric toothbrush. If you find that useful, please do share it with others so that they can benefit from it. If you're watching my YouTube video for the first time, please remember to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get further notifications for such amazing videos. If you're watching on Instagram and Facebook, please remember to follow us. So if you still have any doubts related to this video on electric toothbrushes, please feel free to DM us or drop in your questions in the comment section. And if you would like to come and meet us and personally clarify, you can book an appointment with us by clicking on the link below. So this is Dr. Surbhi Wadhwani signing off for now. Till we meet again in our next video, keep smiling, be happy and stay safe.